Alright, well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to do an oil reset light on a 2021 baby Bronco Sport. Fairly simple. Push, turn your power so it comes on. All that stuff, yes. Push OK. We're using these buttons here on the side. We're going to hit the menu button. Should come up with your settings. We're going to hit OK. Your oil life is going to come up. You're going to hit OK again. You can see I already reset it. So you just push and hold your OK button and it's reset. And back out, just hit your menu button and it'll take you back out to the beginning where you started. So that's how you reset the oil light on a 2021 Bronco Sport. Baby Bronco, or as we used to call them, Bronco 2s back in the day. Hope everybody has a nice day. Like, share, subscribe. It helps me out making more videos for you guys when I get them in and get the chance to make them. Have a great day.